Managing your trading agreements is easy using Enable. Let's first see where you can access the trading programs you have with a company. Here you'll find a list of all programs that have been shared with you by your trading partner. By clicking on one of these, you'll be able to access the PDF agreement along with the details, any supporting documents, any activity, like when the program was last updated, and you can also raise and discuss queries in the Comments tab. A handy way of seeing who else has access to this agreement is by hovering over the user tiles. Once you are happy with the agreement, all that's left to do is approve it at the top here, where you'll need to confirm the declaration, at which point Enable will automatically inform your trading partners that the program has been signed off. So that's it for our quick intro to managing trading programs in Enable. Thanks for watching and good luck!